Next, we head to Rochester Hills, Michigan for a sentencing. 53-year-old Jeffrey Ziegler has been convicted of assault with intent to do great bodily harm and possession of a firearm during a felony. 7 months earlier, 14-year-old high school student Brennan Walker missed his morning bus and decided to walk to school. But he got lost and didn't have his cell phone, so he knocked on Ziegler's front door looking for directions. Ziegler's wife, Dana, answered the door and asked, "Why are you trying to break into my house?" She then yelled, prompting Ziegler to hurry downstairs with a shotgun. As Brennan ran away, Ziegler fired in the boy's direction, but missed. Ziegler's wife frantically called 911.
You know who he is? No! What door is he at? He was at the front door.
And police quickly arrived on the scene. Ziegler told authorities that he slipped and the gun went off by accident. But after viewing the security footage, the state filed charges. Ziegler, a retired firefighter, was initially charged with assault to commit murder, which, if convicted, carries a maximum sentence of life in prison. He pled not guilty and was released on $50,000 bond. The case went to trial, and after reviewing all the evidence, the jury found Ziegler guilty on the lesser charge of assault to commit bodily harm, as well as the firearm charge. Today at sentencing, his attorney asks Judge Wendy Potts for a sentence within the recommended guidelines of 2 years in prison. But the prosecutor, Kelly Collins, argues for a more severe punishment, emphasizing that this was not Ziegler's first time firing a weapon in public.
This court can't ignore that this is not an isolated incident for Mr. Ziegler. He has fired a weapon in an incident of road rage. I absolutely hold the position that Mr. Ziegler should serve not only the 2 years for the felony firearm charge, but additional incarceration for the assault with intent to do great bodily harm less than murder.
The next person to speak is Brennan's mother, Lisa Wright, who addresses the court with Brennan's stepdad, Stephen Wright, by her side.
I feel like he's remorseful. I don't feel like he's shown remorse. I feel like it's only because of the media he feels as though he has to say he's sorry. I don't think he's fair.
Before Judge Potts imposes sentence, the defendant delivers his own statement.
I'd like to apologize to the family for my actions on that morning, April 12th. I know it's wrong. After spending 35 days in jail, you do a lot of soul searching. I am full of remorse and regret, and I wish I could change something, but we can't go back in time.
When he was finished, the judge made a brief statement before handing down her sentence.
Shooting at a teenager leaving your premises has consequences. It is the sentence of the court. Count 1, assault with intent to commit great bodily harm, 2 to 10 years, Michigan Department of Corrections. Count 2, felony firearm, 2 years, credit 35 days. Count 1 is consecutive to count 2.
Judge Potts decides to go beyond the guidelines and sentences Ziegler to a minimum of 4 years in prison.
I don't object to the sentence going above the guidelines at this time.
Guidelines are advisory, and based on the circumstance of the case, the court feels they're appropriate.
Ziegler later appealed the sentence, but a second judge actually increased his assault sentence by 6 months. In total, Ziegler received a sentence of 30 months to 10 years for the assault charge, plus 2 years for the weapons charge. They'll be served consecutively. As for Brennan, he recently graduated from high school and is now attending college in Florida. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.